The WORX WX066 Sidekick folding table offers a surprisingly solid work surface for do-it-yourself projects while remaining light enough to carry with one hand between tasks or locations. Despite its compact size when folded, the table opens into a square work area with a comfortable standing height that feels natural whether you are cutting, painting, or setting up for an event. Its steel legs lock firmly in place and resist wobbling on both hard and soft ground, so the table feels stable even when you're working with heavier tools or materials. The surface and frame are made from rugged plastic and steel that can handle substantial weight without flexing much, which inspires confidence for heavier jobs like clamping lumber or small machinery. Integrated clamp dogs and connection locks make it easy to secure workpieces and link multiple tables together, turning a single portable stand into a more serious temporary workstation. When you are finished, the legs fold into the underside and the whole unit closes like a slim briefcase, so it stores neatly in a car trunk, closet, or garage corner without taking much space.